Hey guys, this is how to add directly Google Spreadsheet to lead generation Meta Business Suite. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. First, just simply go to Meta Business Suite. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on all tools. And from there, you should be able to see their instant forms. And after that, just simply go for CRM setup. And once you have done that, just simply search for Google Sheets and just simply select it. And from there, guys, just simply sign in into your Google account. And once you have a sign in into your Google account, just simply go ahead and click continue so you can give Facebook access to your Google Sheet. So just simply provide all of the necessary information needed and just simply allow the permission so you can connect it into your Google Spreadsheet. And from there, just simply create a new one, or you can just simply go for an existing empty Google Sheet. And after that, just simply choose the worksheet and lead add form to use. And after that, just simply click on connect and click on done. And from there, you should be able to add your Google Spreadsheet to Meta Business Suite. And there you go. See ya.